How to use PLR content in your writing business. Save time and money. There are many ways to use PLR materials, but in this work, we are only going to analyze how to use PLR content in your writing business. Before proceeding on further, it's appropriate to first understand what private label rights are. What is private label right? It means that you get a license with the product which allows you to rebrand it, and repurpose it, and you can sell it as your own. This is the most popular type of resell rights out there. It allows the buyers to modify, use and resell the products as they wish. Most of the time PLR products come with the raw source file for you to be able to edit as you like. For example, instead of just the PDF file, you can get the raw doc formats for the particular PLR product, to edit as you like. If you like to add more words or remove certain words, you are able to do that and save as a completed PDF version, before reselling. This way you can even end up improving the product and reselling the improved version. This is also one of the types of rights that usually allows you to put your name on the product, as the author or creator, if you desire, before reselling. In some cases, you can also resell the rights to resell the products to other marketers. If you are ready to use and make money from PLR, MRR, RR, I would recommend Bookmarecom website for you. This site offers high-quality original products, provides a great user experience, and there you will find everything you need. Use PLR content in your writing business. If your online business is writing content for clients, using resell rights articles can save you time and cost in research. You can generate unique content ideas from these materials just as you can rewrite some of them to suit the needs of some of your clients. Since many resell rights products are put together after many hours or even weeks of research, it's not uncommon to find great quality content that you can get great use out of. If you are creative enough, you can always find different ways to get the best from the products and articles you get rights to. Resell rights products or articles should always be used in a manner that will not ruin your reputation as a writer. Therefore, when using them to create articles or posts for clients, avoid plagiarism and create 100% unique versions, something completely different from the original. It's easy to be lazy when you get access to all the content, but as a writer you should never use such content for your clients without creating your own unique versions. Where to get PLR products? If you are looking for one of the best websites to get resell rights products right now, then I would recommend Bookmare.com for you. Bookmare is a center for private label rights PLR, master resell right MRR and resell right RR of digital products. Which means that you can go to Bookmare.com, download any digital products that you need, repurpose them, brand, tweak, and sell as your own, use them on your project, website, no royalties or extra fees. This site offers high-quality original products, provides a great user experience, and there you will find everything you need. Finally, never write from scratch again and never pay expensive freelancers again. Save time, reduce cost and be productive. Make money with PLR, MRR and RR contents. If you are ready to use and make money from PLR, MRR, RR, I would recommend Bookmare.com website for you. Bookmare is a center for private label rights PLR, master resell right MRR and resell right RR of digital products. Which means that you can go to Bookmare.com, download any digital products that you need, repurpose them, brand, tweak, and sell as your own, use them on your project, website, no royalties.